In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your email reports in Trello. By the end, you'll have hands-free updates landing in inboxes on a schedule you control, perfect for keeping teammates and stakeholders aligned without manual check-ins. Start by opening your Trello board and locating the automation icon. This is Trello's built-in automation hub, often called Butler, and it's where all the report and scheduling magic lives. Give that icon a click to open the automation panel. From here, look for the email reports option and select it. This section is dedicated to sending board insights straight to email, so it's the ideal place for recurring summaries. You'll see a few report types to choose from: board snapshot, due soon, and overdue cards. Board snapshot is a broad overview of activity and status across your board. Due soon focuses on upcoming deadlines so teams can prepare, while overdue cards surfaces anything that's slipped from the due date. For this walkthrough, select Board Snapshot so your recipients get a clear, high-level pulse on progress. Next, open the schedule settings. This is where you decide how often your report goes out. Think about your workflow rhythm. A weekly cadence is great for team updates, while daily might suit fast-moving projects. Pick a day and time that align with when people actually read emails, like early morning on weekdays. Add your recipients. Enter work email addresses, separated as prompted, and include only those who truly need the information to keep inboxes clean and avoid noise. It's smart to add yourself so you can see exactly what's being sent. Craft a clear, scannable subject line. Consider including the board name and cadence. For example, Project Board Snapshot Weekly. This helps recipients recognize the update instantly and makes it easy to search for later. Write a brief message to set context. A sentence or two is plenty. Explain what the snapshot includes, why it's useful, and any guidance on how recipients should use the information. Keep the tone consistent with your team culture and avoid sensitive details, since this is going out by email. When everything looks good, click Schedule Report. Your automated email is now active. Recipients will begin receiving the snapshot on the schedule you chose with no extra work from you. If your needs change, you can come back to the same automation area to adjust the cadence, update recipients, or switch to a due soon or overdue cards report. That's it. Your Trello board now reports to your inbox on autopilot.